Good day everyone, and to you Ma'am Margin Gumansel. For today's video, I discuss the process of probation and parole. Probation is a procedure under which the court release defendant found guilty of a crime without imprisonment, subject to the condition imposed by the court and subject to the supervision of the probation service. Supervision, a term coined by John Augustus, also known as father of probation. Probation, from the Latin verb, is prober, which means to prove or to test, and then it was first introduced in the Philippines during the American colonial period, 1898 to 1945, with the enactment of Act Number 422 of the Philippines Legislature on August 7, 1937. So, the probation is disposition or privilege granted by the court to a person convicted of a criminal offense to remain to the community instead of going to the prison or jail. Also, supervision of the probation officer. So, ang probation is kung ikaw is nakabuhat ka o isa ka krimen, siyempre mahatulan ka sa korte. Binigyan ka ng privilege o pribileyo, hatagan ka og privilege or pribileyo nga opportunity para dili makulong, labi na sa mga first offender. So unsa man katong nabuhat nila nga krimen is kailangan nilang pagdusahan or i-rendered sa community or gawas sa prisuhan o ginatawag na non-constitutional correction. Ang mga probationer is hawak ng probation officer. Sila gagunit ani mga probation officer. Then who can apply probation or qualified ani? So according to our presidential decree or PD 968, all persons who are sentenced for a crime not more than 6 years. Example ani is shuffling, trafficking violators. So katong wala ra na sentensyahan og not more than 6 years. Dili pataas 6 years iyang pagkakulong. Og so mao ni ang example, not more than 6 years ning shuffling or and trafficking violators. Basta dili lang violent crime, parehas ng murder, homicide, kidnapping or rape. So mao kini ang mga asistensya na hindi tataas na 6 ng taong pagkakulong. Who can apply probation? So kinsa tong dili maka-apply og probation? Who are sentenced to a maximum term of imprisonment of more than 6 years. So mao ni ang dili maka-apply og probation kining lagpas 6 years ang ilang pagkakulong. Kadong convicted of subversion of any crimes against national security and public order. Then ang crimes against security is kini ang treason or sabotage, espionage. And kining crimes against public order is mao ni ang rebellion, sedition, mao ning bawal mo-apply sa probation or dili qualified. Then last is katong mga tao nga gikan na prisuhan nga napriso og balik. Petitioner, mao ni ang tawag sa mo-apply og probation. Petitioner ang tawag nila ana. Then once nga maaprubahan na sa korte ang petition, is tawag sa ila na is probationer. So katong probationer is hawak to sila sa probation officer. Buti pasabot ani is naana ka sa probation. Once nga maaprubahan na ka sa korte, naana ka sa probation ug naana sad condition nga dapat nimo pagbuhaton. Kailangan nimo i-comply. So unsa man ni nga condition nga imong i-comply? Provision of una is provision of drugs and alcohol, restriction for leaving the country. You need to report to your provision. officer or sa korte. So pag-report kailangan makareport ka at least once a month. Kung na-failed ka o wala ka ka-report, ang tawag ana sa imo is absconding probationer. So dapat if naka sa community is productive ka pagkatao, then likayan nimo tanan butang nga maka-cause og krimen. Kay kung ikaw makabuhat ka balik usab og krimen is automatic balik ka sa kulungan ug makulong ka higit pa sa taong para sa karagdagang krimen na nagawa mo. So kung ikaw is nahatulan ka og preso nga di mo taas og 6 years, na kay karapatan mo apply ani probation basta ikaw is qualified. If once qualified ka, i-grant ka sa korte. Then who grant probation? Kung kinsa may mo grant sa probation, mao ni ang judge. Din asa man ka mag-grant probation, where to grant probation is dito ka sa court. Then parole. What is the process of parole? So it is a word of honor and privilege, and it is also referred to the conditional release of an offender from a correctional institution after he has served the minimum of his prison sentence. So parole is under of islaw o tinatawag nating indeterminate sentence law or Act number 4103. So kining islaw is it was approved on December 5, 1933. Ang parol ay usa ni siya ka pribilehiyo nga pinagkaloob ng ipinagkaloob ito sa atin nang nakagawa ng isang krimen pagkatapos nitong makumpleto ang unang bahagi ng kanyang termino ng pagkabilanggo. At syempre nagyapon siya ay condition parehas sa provision na kung saan ay kailangan nilang gawin ay kailangan lang gawin at ito ay pinamahalaan ng parole officer. There is a conditional release na kung saan ay kinakailangan nilang tuparin para manatili silang malaya. So condition ng parole, magbabayad ng multa o kadtong mga obligasyon nga dapat bayaran. Paghahanap ng trabaho wherein ang trabaho is angkop or sufficient sa ilaha. Dumalo sa mga programs or rehabilitation kagaya ng drugs at alcohol at counseling or kanang symposium para maiwasan o malikayan nila ang mga maling dili angay buhaton or krimen. Restriction for leaving a country, then last is mag-report ka sa parole officer. Who are eligible for parole? Ang eligible for parole is those who have served 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. And who are not eligible for parole? So mauning mga offenders nga na-convict within first degree, parehas aning murder, kidnapping, rape, arson, and drug trafficking. Mao ni ang dili eligible for parole. Disqualification of parole. So generally is kadtong mga sistensya ng pagkakulong ng 1 taon or less, or straight penalty or to prison without a minimum term of imprisonment. Kadtong convicted of an offense punished with death penalty or reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day, 40 years or life imprisonment. Those convicted of imprisonment of treason, rebellion, sedition, and coup d'etat. Those who have or are suffering from mental disorder and it is certified by a government psychiatrist or psychologist ug kadtong naay pending criminal cases mao nang disqualified of parole. Who may grant parole? So Board of Pardon and Parole, so mao ni ang grant of parole ning BPP. Ang BPP, it is a agency under the office of the Secretary of Justice. Mao ang Board of Pardon and Parole. When can prisoner grant for parole? Whenever the Board of Pardon and Parole finds that there is a reasonable probability to release a person na pwede na i-release ang usa ka tawo. So tawag sa prisoner nga na-release gawa ng parol is parole. Kanang na-release na, mo na ang ginatawag parole. Then parole officer is who supervise the parole. So kaning parole will be arrested kung naa siya na-violate sa katong condition of parole. Ibalik siya sa prisuhan kung balik siya sa prisuhan kung naka-violate siya ato. Then kailangan niya serve yung unexpired portion of kanyang maximum sentence. Balik siya sa kulungan if maka-violate siya. Maka-violate siya sa tong condition of parole is kailangan na po niya i-serve itong unexpired portion of kanyang maximum sentence. Parole ay ito ay hindi binibigyan ng korte, ito po ay ginagrant ng Board of Pardon and Parole. So ang kaparihan nila ani sa probation and parole is yung tinutulungan nilang magbago ang isang offender nga di makaotro or makausab sa krimen. Mao nang kapareha sa probation and parole.